Fun fact, the spare rib is right next to the belly of the pig, and that's where we get bacon from. That's why the spare rib is so delicious. It's kind of in the same spot as the bacon.
Alright, welcome back. We are eating some ribs today on the Asmoke Little Pellet Grill. Oof. Well, it's still a little warm, probably should let them cool a little bit.
No, it's
but
fine.
that's okay. It's fine? Okay, good. Good? So I want to show them this smoke ring here really quick, okay? Not sure how well you can see this in the camera, but I'm not sure, well messy, how much smoke ring is actually going on there. I was really, really impressed. Also very impressed, I think the biggest rib that was available, which is awesome. Except the last one, yeah. So this was, we did this cook, it was going to be 250 until they were done. I was expecting spare ribs, 250 degrees, probably last about 6 hours. Got them on pretty much right at 6 o'clock. It is well past noon.
6 o'clock.
Well, 6 in the morning when you're still sleeping.
I do.
Yeah. It's well past noon. I'd say it's closer to 2 o'clock when they actually were done. These look to be delicious. So, no complaints there. Tastes really good. Obviously with pellets, you don't get as much smoke flavor as you do with lump charcoal and with the Kamado style or the offsets. However, making a mess. Clean that up later. What I would like to see is how well bite off the bone is. So closer, I can't see it. The thicker part, like more meatier part of the ribs themselves, not as tender as the rest. Don't know if that was because of it's bigger, or is because that was, or if it was more heat concentrated in that area, so it allowed them to cook faster. I don't know, but those look really good. I'm gonna save those for the wife. That's definitely the kind of rib that she likes. But good day, all in all, good day here. No complaints. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed our new intro, our new segment of fun fact for the videos. We definitely plan to do a lot more of those in the future. Yeah. More questions about the Asmoke, let me know. They did give that to us. I did not buy it, they did give it to me free of charge, and I'm not doing videos. I'm not doing paid videos, but I'm doing videos just featuring it out of the kindness of my heart. Till next time, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Keep barbecuing America.